the border of Giardini, which need VIP pass or cards or entrance. In this place, we work on the project Penetration. Penetration, it's when an artist asks to another artist a space, or when an artist gives another artist a space. So basically, it's we have something we want to express about the world today. Where do we show it? You know, if we don't have an official pavilion or something, so we have to ask other artists if they give us some space. So that's what we have been doing the last day. It's to find if some other artists will share some of their space to us and our group, so we can show the world today. So, for example, now we got some space. So, for example, the artist Daniel Medina from the pavilion from Venezuela accepted the Penetration. So officially, and also the curator accepted, and the people from the pavilion say it's okay, you can use some of the space to express your project. So now we have opened a space, you know, and
so what does that look like in real terms then? I mean, are they going to have their own art up for a little while, and then you're going to come in, you know, for half an hour or something?
No. Basically, I think it's to be for the Biennale period, you know. Normally, the spirit of Emergency Room is to change every day. With the world of today. So we have not solved physically, you know, I won't stay here too long, so who is going to do it? So we have to find out that. But basically, in the case of Daniel Medina, he has an exhibition on the wall. So he say, okay, you can use a whole floor, and this is yours. You can do your project here. Voilà. So tomorrow we go to see Jacques Charlier, which is an artist from Belgium. He has been censored by the Biennale to do a project, so now it will be on the boat. It's curated by Enrico Lunghi, the chairman of the ICA Critic Society. We will speak with him to find out, you know, if he give us a room, if he give us, you know. So after the artist has to say which space they give, you know. It's like if you are in New York, I phone to you and I say, okay, you will tell me you're welcome to sleep in my home. Then you have to find out if I sleep in your bed, on your sofa, on a pneumatic, you know. So basically, it's a kind of welcome gesture from a person to another person. It's not a hijacking, or it's very much
an invitation.
It's an invitation, you know. And so that way we also question the notion of space. Who owns the space? You know, if it's the artist that owns the space, the curator, the ambassador, the Repubblica, you know, who owns the space? So basically, nowadays, installation artists own space. Because they are installation artists, they are room artists. So basically, if an artist say, I give you my space, it's his space. Nobody should intervene. But we can also feel sometimes curator want to say no, but you cannot give your space away, you know.
Right.
But so it's very interesting to find out who decide about the space. But for example, with Venezuela, we talked to the whole group of people working, including the curator, and everybody has been very positive. And the interesting thing is that last year it was also the Venezuelan pavilion that opened their door to our project. So we can notice, maybe it's not coincidence, it's maybe, you know, some country close more borders, some open, it's just constatation. But we are not finished, maybe we will have other pavilion opening more space. We are still working on that, you know.
Right. So who are you going to be working with now that you have this space?
We have already from previous emergency room shows developed a network of artists that some of them are already here in Venice now, because they know that Colonel and Biennalist is here, and we are working with Penetrations to open up for the emergency room.
Medina Peña, she's from Mexico, but she lives in Barcelona. We have Kim Deso, she's from Bruxelles. She arrived yesterday. Carolina Tuzzo, she's from Napoli. Marie Luna, she's also from Napoli. Got some space. We have to kind of seduce some artists to be part of the project, you know. So now we have a recruiting system, you know. Basically, the idea is to make a movement.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.